Welcome to Toys Reviews.
Hi kids, today I'm going to show you how to do this nice trick with 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's jump to the video. To do this trick, you need a solid Rubik's Cube. Right now I'm going to undo the steps that I have did. Now that I have finished, that I have solved the Rubik's Cube, let's do the trick. You have to move these two middle layers and you can start with whatever side you want. So go up, side, up, side, until these four middles are same color but different color than the center. Now you do the opposite. Down, back, down, back. We got the trick. All centers are different than the others. What a beautiful trick it is. And please drop a like, leave a comment, share the video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.